Hey everyone, I'm Joey. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make the iconic basic balloon dog. I'm going to jump right into the tutorial, so if you appreciate that, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. That's a super small free way that you can show your support for our channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more balloon tutorials, personal finance, and business tips. Some supplies you're going to need are a dual action hand inflator, one 260 size balloon twisting balloon. You can find links to these in the description below. Hit that like button, grab your supplies, and let's get started. We're going to inflate our 260 balloon to about 4 finger lengths tail. Let a little bit of air out of the balloon, then tie it off. It's a good practice to squeeze your balloon before every twist to disperse the air in the balloon and make it softer and less likely to pop. We're essentially going to be making 10 segments of 4-inch bubbles that are going to look like sausage links the entire time we're making it. Hold the side of your balloon with the nozzle on it and twist the side of the balloon with the tail on it. Make sure when you're twisting your tail side balloon, you're twisting it in the same direction throughout the entire shape. Once we have our first segment, we're going to hold both of these pieces with one hand and make another segment, twisting the tail end of our balloon. We want all of these segments to be about the same size. After we have 2 segments, we are going to hold the first one and bend our balloon down so it's against our second segment so that we can hold it right here with this twist. Then we're going to squeeze the rest of our balloon right here near this twist, and we're going to twist around these 2 segments to create a joint. This is going to be the nose and ears of our dog. These segments will stay where they're at because we've created a joint. A joint is just 2 or more twists combined together. We'll make another 4-inch section. This will be the neck of our dog. Hold it with one hand, and with your other hand create another section that's going to be our dog's leg. We're going to use the same technique where we fold the balloon along one of our segments. Squeeze the remaining part of our balloon near this twist and twist these 2 segments together to create a joint right here. This is our neck and our front 2 legs. Now we're going to make another segment that's going to be our body. Next we'll make another segment for one of our back legs. And we'll use that same technique of laying the balloon across our previous segment, squeezing the balloon to create a joint right here along this twist. If we have any tail left on our balloon, we can squeeze the rest of it to disperse the air throughout the rest of our balloon here. If you have enough tail left, you can even disperse it so much that you have a deflated section right here in the middle that kind of looks like a poodle tail. If you're running out of balloon before you get to your tail of your dog, make these sections a little bit smaller and that will give you more room at the end. You can even draw some eyes or some other details on your balloon animal with a Sharpie, or you can add more balloons to your shape to make it a little more detailed. For instance, if you wanted to add a leash to this dog, just blow up another balloon and tie the nozzle around this joint here a few times. Now you've got a simple dog on a leash. Thanks so much for watching. If this was helpful, hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. That really helps our channel, and it's a super small free way that you can show your support. Subscribe for more balloon tutorials, personal finance, and business tips. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified every time we post a new video. And if you're interested in turning this fun hobby into a lucrative side job, shoot us an email for job opportunities in your area. Good luck on your balloon dog. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Joey. I'll see you next time.